With their special edition beer.
Oh, got the vodka out. Someone's ready to party.
Are you guys ready to party?
Why?
That's
What do you mean?
Lunch, booze. What are you guys doing?
Drinking?
Date night.
Did you guys see the Canadian, the special edition?
That's what Lucky was
You guys didn't buy the special edition? This is ours.
I want to look at it with the special edition.
You didn't see it at the store?
No.
What?
That sucks.
What is it? Did you put that on there?
No, it came. You didn't see them at the liquor store? They were there.
That's
You don't
when
work
in the
tomorrow?
vodka.
Yeah.
Right?
That's
Well, see what's inside. They didn't tell you what's inside.
I wouldn't open it.
Oh!
What's that?
For grandparents.
Are you pregnant? Oh, right now! Oh, right on! Oh, congratulations, Mom! Oh.
That was perfect! That was perfect!
Oh, right on!
You couldn't have done it any better! I'm thinking doggies! Oh my god!
Oh, I really hope that was recording because that was perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
When did you find
May 6th.
my birthday?
We found out.
Oh!
We found out last Sunday. We did the test.
Oh my god, this week had to have been hard for you.
We did the test on Sunday, and then I did 3 more because
My
you know.
heart's beating.
And then I went and saw the doctor today, so we wanted to make it official with the doctor appointment before.
Yeah, everybody does. Oh, I'm thinking the grand doggies, is it for babysitting them?